Some of the police officers, you are killing your own relatives. You are injuring your own relatives. Among those people who have died, I know they are your relatives there. Why do you destroy your own? Why do you use brute force on Kenyans who are harmless, on Kenyans whose mistake is just to be poor, Kenyans whose mistake is just that they don't have something to eat, they don't have jobs? That is the only mistake these Kenyans have committed. And I can tell you that you need to learn from what happened from some of your fellow officers, how they've been treated in this current regime. The same will apply to you. For every other police officer who is mistreating us, we are marking you. We are noting you. We will do the same thing you are doing to us. And I'm telling you, we will do the same things you are doing to us. You stole our phones. Our phones haven't been released up to now. Why am I saying stealing? Because you took our phones without our consent, and that is stealing. So we want our phones. The court has ordered that our phones be released immediately. I don't know what you're doing with our phones. Those are private, that's a private property. I'm a member of parliament, I need to serve my people. I haven't communicated from Tuesday to date. How do you want me to serve my people? How do you want them to reach me? How do you want me to reach them? So the police, be warned, because you can't kill all Kenyans. And this is the time that Kenyans are hungry and are angry. If they don't have food to eat, they will eat you. So to Ruto, you did say that you don't entertain extrajudicial killings. What are you doing? You did say that you will not allow the police to use, misuse, and abuse the rights of the Kenyan citizens. What are you doing? You're the person who is giving the orders. You keep on blaming Raila Amolo Odinga, talking, even mentioning that how much blood does he need. He does not need any blood. You are the one who needs blood. You are the one who is ordering the police to kill citizens, to shoot citizens. Raila does not command the police. So don't ask how much blood Raila needs. Ask how much blood do you need. We are ready to give you blood, the much that you need. You don't even need to come for those bloods from us. We will bring blood to you because we want to make it easier for you. So we ask you, Ruto, how much blood do you need? Is it not enough for you? And I can tell you, there's a time in 2007, you were in opposition. You were fighting for the rights of Kenyans. Where did that Ruto go to? What are we seeing now? And I advised your spouses to pray for you people. We don't want prayers from State House. We don't want prayers from any of your wives. Let those prayers be directed to you and your deputy. You need more prayers than Kenyans. But I urge Baba, let us, after this, after tomorrow, which is Wednesday, let these mandamanos go on even daily. Yes. Let every Kenyan be arrested. Yes. Let every Kenyan be killed if you want to kill them. Personally, if you think that you can gag me by arrest, shock on you and shame on you. My arrest started while I was in primary school, while I was selling changa. In high school, several arrests. As a student leader, several arrests. So what are you scaring me with?